Hello everyone, welcome back to the Glitch Sip channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the admin pack reward in Grow a Garden on Roblox, step by step. First of all, make sure you are inside the Grow a Garden game. Once you're in the main lobby, look at the screen and find the menu or events section, usually located on the side of the interface. Now, pay close attention because the admin pack reward is not something you get automatically. In most cases, this reward is linked to special admin interactions, limited events, or developer features inside the game. What you need to do is check if there is an admin pack button, event notification, or reward claim option. If the admin pack is active, you'll usually see a claim or redeem button. Simply tap or click on it to receive the reward. If you don't see the option right away, try these quick tips. Rejoin the game or switch servers. Make sure the game is fully updated. Check the official game description or announcements. Look for special events hosted by the developers or admins. Sometimes the admin pack reward is only available for a limited time during updates or when admins are present in the server. Once you successfully claim it, you should see the admin pack items added to your inventory instantly. You can then equip or use them directly inside Grow a Garden. And that's it. That's how you can get the admin pack reward in Grow a Garden on Roblox. If this video helped you, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to Glitch Sip, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future Roblox guides and rewards. See you in the next one.